Sir, we are from MLT GDC Gadwal. We prepared a student study project on voting behavior politics of political party. In this project, we 5 members are included. Myself, Tahiniyat, Nazia, Chakrapani, Suvarna and Rekha. The project, the synopsis of this project is that in early days of India's independence, the people were voting on the basis of ideology of political party. But in the recent years, the tendency of implementing the political parties and strategies of the parties are unavoidably affected by the unenviable voting behavior of voters. Accordingly, it becomes common tendency to any political party of nation to alter its ideology, reflecting to that of voting behavior of the people and attitude of the people, which ultimately remains potential reliability and validity for political sustainability in this present inconspicuous political scenario. The aims and objectives of this project is that to study the dynamic changes in voting behavior of voters, to understand the political party's ideology and its response to current political scenario, and to analyze the influential and impact of voter behavior towards the political parties. And the hypothesis of this project is that recently it is visible that the opinion of democracy functioning in India has been changing. Declining the political party's ideology may impact the voter behavior adversely. Now I am inviting Nazia to continue.
Interpret, we met many political leaders and voters, and we have posed some questions to them. These are the final results of our survey. The questions we have asked to them are: firstly, what was their opinion whether the governments are forming democratically in India? Secondly, which factor is greatly impact the voters on casting their vote? Thirdly, which class is greatly impacted by the money and alcohol? Fourthly, which class is greatly impacted by the caste and religion? Fifthly, what should be taken in account while allotting seats by the political parties? And last questions we have asked is: how would they rate to the voters voting on casting their votes? Now I invite Chakrapani to continue.
The questionnaire of 6 questions. I am explaining about 3 questions. The first graph is showing about opinion on democracy, and the second graph showing about impact factors on voter behavior, and the third graph showing about party influence. So here the first graph, opinion on democracy, 28 out of 60 were voted 28 yes, and remaining saying no. And second graph, people were impact of money, alcohol, caste, religion, candidate and party impact. Party influence graph is below 50% party influence on voters. So here furtherly we have there are 2 examples like in UPA and NDA. UPA doesn't show any explicit ideology. The NDA should show it's promoting core ideology. Suvarna will be, let's be continue.
Impact of money and alcohol on the lower classes is very highly in their voting process, whereas the middle classes are modern and the elites means rich people is very little impact. In this case of caste and religion, they are minimum comparatively with the others too. So these sections will always be sell their vote right for the temporary goods and money. They have not been consolidated on the basics of caste and religion. The impact of caste and religion double than the money and alcohol on the middle classes, but factors for the seat confirmation is not favor for them. The chances always be for the elites expected to win. Total 38 out of 60, more than half of this. So these sections are unavoidable. Cast their votes to the elites. Continue the Rekha.
In 76 years of Indians independence,
The importance of voting behavior in electoral political has getting more and more days to come, and the people was the majority influenced by the ideology of political parties and the recent political scenario, and from the last few decades the ideology of political parties has been decreasing, and the influenced a factor like money, alcohol, religion and more than occupying political parties, and the hypothesis which I have formulated or found true in the discussion. Thank you.